welcome back to the video. Today in GLR Group, we do something new. We're doing Virginia vlog, US vlog. So I'm gonna cut the chase. Let me show y'all what we got for this video. Z06 Corvette, up in the jet like that. So, man, this is so hard to get in and out as a big ass guy, bro. Bro, at my size, it's hard as hell to get it in. Whew. God damn. We going to the meet right now. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? What is this?
Who the guy? Who's that guy? Yo, show him what's up.
What you mean, bro?
Yeah, downshift.
One more? You guys want one more downshift?
Bow, 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 bow. That he went sideways.
Yeah, we call him lacking. C6 caution. Tried to spell caution, but we got the M3 coming in. You know, a little calm, nothing crazy. Crazy meet tonight. What you mean, bro? Man, we got the M4, M5 comp, M4 comp. Got the banan. Alright, so now we at the meet. I'll quickly show y'all some little. We got the M4, pretty nice. It's chill, but the problem comes when you come to the back. Bro, Nardo, what do you know about quiet, bro?
Bro, I heard he ran from the cops.
Yeah, they be running them, bro.
They be running that. Let's see
We got a normal plate here. It's the M5 comp. You know, see, this is the beauty about US, bro. You ain't got no potholes. You ain't got no 25-degree minus weather. You're just chilling. We got the C here at the 63S. You see, he's running the no wheel hubs too, like me. You see, no logo, bro. We got the banan here, the legendary banan CLS 63S. You guys know me. I had a CLS before, something like this. It was first gen, but bro, these guys 5.5, mad power, bro. Like you tune a little bit, 650, 750, 4matic, moving. What the f is this?
I don't know if this is an M.
It's a 240? Yeah, it's a 240. Skip. Oh, what's this? It's a C6. Yeah, I heard this car run away from the cops. Is that true?
Might be quiet.
Yeah, they low key be quiet in this.
I got you. All right, this is my favorite bike. It's not one of a dream bike. It's more of a starter bike, but these are very quick.
So what?
Yamaha R6. These be pushing. Right now, come bring it back here. I'm seeing this one got a fat tire, so these don't really come with these are leader bike tires right here. You see the leader bikes? They got the fat tires. Yeah. This guy did some mods to it.
And the muffler looks funny, innit?
Yeah, it definitely shoots flames. This is something I would get. This is a very nice bike. But let's come over here. This is the real Demon S1K RR. This is a real leader bike. 1000. Look at this. Just give it a 360. It looks very nice. I see all the carbon fiber going on. This would be a dream bike right here. It's very clean, bro. These go fast. You can hit 200 miles on these, no problem. Let's come over here. This is the upgraded version of the R6, the R7. This is 700. This is 700cc.
700.
The other one was 600. Looks like that one's modded though, but let's not go on that. The R7 700cc's are very quick. These can easily push a lot. Gap any car here. Everything over an R6. Yeah,
even the CLS?
Very much the CLS. This is very nice. This one also got the leader bike tires. I see these guys be racing a lot. This shit is pretty bold. All right.
Yeah, we gotta execute this guy after the shoot, bro.
We're stoning this kid right here. Yeah, this is a very nice bike. This is another one I would want to get. I like R7M, pretty nice.
R7M. So
all right, let's move on to more of the cars now.
Hey, go get that Sienna. It's a W60.
All right, come here, guys. Check.
We gotta get the Sienna.
This is the Sienna, 2,000 horsepower on a drag pack. These are some slicks right here. You see this?
Are you sure it's not stock? I see the Toyota logo on it.
It is very not stock. You see these? These are absolutely totally drag packs right here. Aftermarket rims, everything. You come over here. You see these small ass rims? These are some nice ass slicks.
The brakes kind of look big.
21-inch wheels.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's very big. You would be running some drags with this. Like,
Is this the Hell Kitty?
This might be, it might be a Hellcat swap.
This is the Hell Whale, bro.
Yeah, we might need to pop this hood right here. It might be Hellcat engine, 2,000 horsepower. Oh, look, the bikes are leaving. Let's push the bike. This is the R7 we were talking about.
All right, so this is X3 something.
X340M.
X340M, man. F that shit. Bro, my dad's car got a B58. Unless you got stage 2 plus on the B58, don't talk to me.
I heard it's getting soon, downpipe.
We'll see. Next time we in VA. But yo, this is my favorite. So this is the what? The C6. It's not a Z06.
Z51.
Soon.
Base model.
Z51 ain't no
This is
base.
the dumbest license plate ID I ever saw.
Very nice, very nice.
Sexy ass car. We got nice exhaust coming with this. You know, something little. So this is like a small meet in VA. Also, these cars, if you were to go Ottawa, you ain't gonna see most of the shit in the Ottawa meets. Maybe you'll see a couple M3s, M4s, maybe one CLS, maybe one E63. Definitely, I'm not the one that gonna bring it. Yaris, yeah, we got Yaris. Yo, show this guy. Put his face on YouTube. Execute this guy, guys. If you see him on site, you can shout out your.
There's a safe
Instagram.
shot.
He works at the same place as me.
Shut the fuck up.
They're not buying shit from you though.
They're buying it from me.
Yo, you
Pull
go,
up car
you
cars,
buy
guys.
from Halif, my Azerbaijani brother, bro. Kardeş.
Kardeşim.
Kardeşim, yeah, exactly.
Kardeşim.
Bro. So we got the C7 Stingray, beautiful spec, bro. Let's go meet the owner. Yo, bro, what's up, man? How you saying, bro? You wanna shout out your name for IG?
No, my
That's a no.
ID's crazy, bro.
That's a no. Can we hear this car a little bit, bro? What the f? Brother, that's haram, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, brother. Yo, bro, appreciate it, man. And it's a manual, bro. What you mean? No, yo, little advice. If you see this, if you see the gap, this thing in the back, run. No 40 rolls, no 60 rolls, no rolls, bro. Just go home, you know? Go home, think about your life choices. And he's popping the hood. Yo, let's check this. Bro, check this out, man. Yo, listen, man, I'm not a Corvette guy, but I know this doesn't come stock, bro. It's crazy.
This got some good engineering, I'm not gonna lie. I fuck with this.
Crazy bro. The C7 Stingray is a different game. Come check this, bro. What you mean, 2 Corvettes next to each other, bro? Like, I'm not even showing the, show them the M4 and shit. Like, we're not even showing that to you guys yet. Crazy, bro. It's crazy. More Corvettes footage for you guys. What is that, Nardo? What is that?
I don't know.
That's the underpass. You know what we do in underpasses?
What do we do?
This is what we do in underpasses.
Oh, wait. Are we in a BMW right now?
Yes. I think this is a 520.
Yeah, what is all these pops going on?
I don't know, something wrong with the engine. You know how the BMW engines are. They're on
Right. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I gotta take it to the mechanic.
Yeah.
Or I was thinking of trading this to a Tesla. I heard they're like very environmental friendly.
Yeah, they're very gas friendly too.
And I think they have no engines, right?
I think they're electric, no?
I don't know. I guess so. I mean, save the environment, guys. Don't buy these big gas guzzler LS engines because what do you need it for? Like, what do you need it for? Tell me. Wee.
This guy's insane.
So, you guys know me. I'm a German car enthusiast. The German V8s are unmatched, except the LS. You ready? What you mean, bro? What?
Holy.
Oh, what? Shaking the Corvette. We got the police. Ah, this is my people, bro. Now, Accord driver, if you want watching this, Kosomma.